The Khasi Students' Union KSU staged a protest march today towards the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly opposing the state government's move to amend the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 or the MSIPF and introduce railway connectivity in the Khasi Jainte Hills. However, security forces halted the march near Lat Rilbong. KSU leaders have called for the withdrawal of the amendment, arguing that it grants the Industrial Area Management Authority the power to acquire and allocate land to investors, which they claim contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. Speaking to the media today, KSU President Lambok Starwell Marangar reiterated the union's strong opposition to both the MSIPF amendment and railway expansion, stating that the proposed changes threaten the rights and interests of indigenous communities. He urged upon the state government to revoke the amendment, calling it detrimental to tribal population. Lambok Starwell Marangar also warned that the establishment of land banks could lead to significant land losses for locals if large tracts are leased to private investors. He further expressed concerns that railway expansion would accelerate the influx of outsiders, potentially marginalizing the indigenous population.
Wan begini kalian jom kaki sundak segini, din ba ligi ke jengwara komitmen nak kalian soal kita MSIPF kapan kong kan teng ka IND mata ka MID gila iki jing pasang ka apa di jing hang kita di investor ke pasti rei kum kalong i ba lomba kam la ban pliang ma ba kini i masuk ke dalam kita ko siap jom ka jatuh ring Kacing siang ini kami nanti berkata sokar kan khot penyetir di Taiswa, kan khot di state holder berkhot, andai ini bukan state holders. Mereka kedai lo kita nunggu mereka yang kita seng tasgi buat ni pani bagi soya hab menjol juga ni kom long kuman ke sokar. Jika kubur kuat bansai ke sokar ada kuat ia keban jada ia kendau ke siap. Kali kameram jom sokar bukan scrap lagi ni. Bisa cek kai kam hatam kita dan pesangi yang rembah atau kom barin kuat penyepen juga dulu kacing kaan keban di lampat ya ka jadun riu kami nak mi intan fu aji dan tahu ki an keban jada dari kumbolong tak ki tahu penban ki an keban di lampat ya ka kendau siap dulu jika kacing jeli galong mi nanti kita nak an kebakan kenti yo ka jadun riu ni mi nanti nak an begitu cat ke jadun riu Dahil tak penugram nak kalian gusto ng stand nak keruak hak keruak pasai sokar bercaburo teksoan agaba nak kalian juga seng gapa nak terkas angkat dia jumut jumi dari sosial kalong bagi kita kiba pajak kubur ki pensong suki ki ba mo ile akai pada rawai jong chat ni hari kata halo kata penugram bagi kalian keseng i hak keruak saburo kini ki pondok pasnam gede ki numitman khusyah wala kai isu jong chat
hatu pinsong bro sisi mentang sing yang ni dukut kedarban ko nun
ngim pala benong song lim song handai ka song ka kubur kunu sokar ka asungi ki sebe kara
hantu pila phak kubur e sepo
ila phak kubur jungi sepo ban ju kubur kan ani ka singiru untang pang ka ai dikran do subasa itu ki menteri sokar di nomit mas sokar ku song rar palat sangi ana yak pak yakran giral ko jala jungi kapan pelak menteri kam ka ko jala jungi Azimut bukan balau. Kamar maki di nomik kini persen nam tahu pak. Hari kemencut kembor pak semua bagian ini kelak yang baru.
Following the Khasi Students' Union attempt to march towards the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today, which was stopped by law enforcement authorities, the state government has invited KSU leaders for discussions at the Secretariat this evening. After the meeting with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other senior officials, KSU President Lambok Star Marangar told the media that the union was not satisfied with the discussions. He stated that the KSU urged upon the state government to put the amendment to the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 on hold. Marunga revealed that while the Chief Minister acknowledged that certain aspects of the amendment still needed review and assured that the matter would be tabled in the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, the Khasi Students' Union insisted that the government must keep the amendment in abeyance. The union also demanded that all stakeholders, including civil society groups, be consulted before any modifications to the law are finalized and implemented. The KSU also stressed that this step is necessary to safeguard the rights of the indigenous land owners.
Takasni hadian ka jing perlong na kalian kasang nilai ka tuka jing ki wajib ni kum katak jing persa ya jing bom hun bat jing bom ba yang ya kini ke amendment cek kam tam yang ka an bawang pelalong an yang dua cara usah malak ban keren kuasai ba kecing keren kalau bagi sobun kabadang dap sebun sing tatin ba hot na kaliang siam ulo kubur iya kita ki balong belit poin ki bangila ajin tho na 2 Januari bangi tua ban panha so kan principal ak kabangi gidan sebun ki ki lubul ki ba dan kam panha bencana bangle si gelong kecing riam ya kajing long trai jungi ya do siap bat kecilong bakarpak na jong kajing ether kajing tai ke sarkar gelapan i le jong kini agi jutang wat preng tekimat kibangila snow la ajing tho handrei tang da kaktin ulong ba don kam ya sup ya kapor pan priang ni ajing mod jongi kata ru tang da kaktin kam ni ajing tho dan keren susu ba ya kenek an don kam ban ba susu maka dorbar senrai handai haduk anu ngan syanian tengdak liang juga sengi keren basai bangembon ni kena jing keduk tasngi ni sasong perkat kum si bilat kentim di manle nomor ngimkwa baknu kaan ke ba sarkar kan marang lomban ban mau juntot bajung tunong jadi terari kata puasa ni ong bot on hol ki kan abi ani kena handai pisau tu i kidon ka not ki nomor jung i ba kalian sensar khaduk song bai hu se ai hu se no tingi su thu bat ki kwa ban keren ha kan kerwo sebero tu ki MLA kasi napo garilum ni bring ni truk berkoi lagi don ke cingit kli ke basai bobek bat ki kwa ampen hun yo pai ba la jiet ke so ski ki ben ong tang wi ken tien don kam man persenge swa ken ki don kam ke cingit ter ke cingit tai hot siam terwa Jakarta ruban ong ba hakita ki amen bandok soban kun sokot ki sang balang ba per kun sokot ke sinjuk yang sasunong traditional institution ba per banyak ter banyak tai ban ajumot handrai apa begini lagi ni beli ki belum ki belang kita ki setiap udah berokot na du basta asta ka pelong ni ku ka seng bangi i ba ka ni ka ani tolong bedwo ka bangi kuak ban pencana